Ndemo Steven.
Omurikito Ndemo Steven asorobocherwa senchera yoboye kirano bonno gotigananira Ndemo Steven ku Kisii Kaunti ya Nyamira asetokube no murikito jobu mangi jogo tumanyibuna omotene nabo igomu director w'ekyombe kirigia teacher service commissioner TSC kurwa sensemeyo ya Nyamira Catherine Mwenda niko wana monyero mu waziri w'esemi professor George Magoha bataka gusiri ku mabweri tukuregoro asogote yabuna niga tigete amangana ya anana samangana arengete CBC robotiro asenchera yobo.
Mwenda, the TSC County Director Nyamira. I want to take this opportunity to pass my condolences to the family of the late Professor George Magoha, the immediate former Cabinet Secretary of the Ministry of Education. As a sector, we are really sad with his demise. He was a pillar, especially in the establishment of the CBC curriculum and the continuity of it. I remember Professor during the tedious exercises of checking the preparedness of back to school after COVID-19, and also during the monitoring of construction of CBC classrooms. He visited quite a number of the stations where I was, and we shall greatly miss Professor. He had a passion for his work. His love for children, Kenyan children, was unmatchable, and for that we are really going to miss Professor in the education sector. Professor was so focused. He was so determined to accomplish his tasks, and he put us on our toes most of the times, and he wanted results. He shall be remembered for that.